Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ancient Tome in RLCraft. This powerful item is crucial for enhancing your gear's enchantments and overall strength. We'll cover everything from finding it to maximizing its potential. Get ready to unlock new levels of power and efficiency in your RLCraft adventures. Understanding its mechanics will give you a significant advantage. Let's dive into the details of this essential artifact. Finding ancient tomes requires exploration and a bit of luck. These valuable items cannot be crafted, so you'll need to venture into the world. They are commonly found as loot in various dungeons, with mega battle towers and doom-like dungeons offering some of the best chances. Additionally, check village chests or complete bountiful quests in villages, as these can also reward you with an ancient tome. Happy hunting! Using an ancient tome is straightforward but specific. First, ensure the item you wish to upgrade has a maxed out enchantment like Unbreaking 3 or Sharpness 5. Hold this item in your main hand. Then place the corresponding ancient tome, for example, an ancient tome of Unbreaking, into your offhand slot. Simply right-click and the tome will be consumed, upgrading your enchantment by one level, bypassing its usual maximum. It's a powerful boost. Strategic use of ancient tomes can greatly enhance your RLCraft journey. Focus on upgrading core enchantments such as Unbreaking, Sharpness, or Protection on your most valuable gear. While a single level increase might seem small, it provides a crucial edge in combat and survival. Remember that advanced and supreme enchantments exist, offering even greater power. Use your tomes wisely on your best equipment to truly dominate the late game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.